is up? So today I have an exciting unboxing for you all. This is coming out very soon. I will leave all the information on the screen and also on the description box so you can have all the details along with my affiliate link. If you want to shop this box on the Happy Planner website, you can use my affiliate link at no cost too, and I just earn a small commission from that. So here we have Happy Holidays. So exciting. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So we got a Be Happy box. On the top it says hip hip hooray. Then we got this cute tissue paper with Christmas trees, and we have this spread a little holiday magic sticker to seal it. Let's go ahead and just dive right into it. And like always, you have a card letting you know what is included in the box. So you have a classic notebook, value pack sticker book, a mistletoe metal discs, washi tape bundle, vinyl sticker, fill paper, holiday cards, and gift tag labels. So that is all that is included. How cute. And you can like hole punch this and put it in your planner. That is so cute. And if you don't want to have this on this side, you can just easily grab like scrapbook paper and put it on this side to have it like covered up on the back. That would be so cute in our planners. So these are the little gift tags. Let me open it up so we can take a look at them. So you will get, okay, it looks like you get some different options. So you have 4 of them and they're the same, but 2 of them are foiled and the other 2 are not. How cute. These always come in handy during the holidays because I know I always buy the packs at like Target or even like the dollar store and stuff, but it's always nice to have some really nice ones that you can use to, oh look, there's something on the back. It says happy things inside. How cute. And it looks like we're going to be seeing a reoccurring theme of these cute girls. So let's check it out. Let's see what we have in here. Okay. So we have the Christmas cards. I think there's 2 of them in here. Yeah, there's 2 of them. And they look to be different. Yeah, they're different. Okay. Cute. Okay, wait, are there more? So we have this one. It says Happy Holidays. How cute. And it's blank on the inside, so you can choose to write whatever you want. This says jingle and mingle, and also blank on the inside. And it comes with the envelopes for you to use. So that is cute. And you can even use these as like for Happy Mail, or you can put them on your gifts as well. I know I like including little cards on gifts, so that's also what I would do. And then you got a vinyl sticker that says spread kindness, the mistletoe metal discs, and these are classic size, so they're like this green, kind of like, I would say like pine green, like a Christmas tree green. I don't know. It's just a really nice, rich green. I really like that. That's really pretty. It would be perfect for a Christmas planner. And then we have some washi tape. We love some washi tape. I have an entire drawer of washi tape. Cute. So this one says, spread some happy today. Hopefully you can see it. I think it's focusing. Let me try to click on it. So cute. And this one's just different colors. I actually don't think it's focusing. Hold on. Okay, well, you kind of see it. I'm sorry, my camera is totally messing up. I think there's like too much going on back here to like be able to catch it, like, I guess. I don't know. So weird that it's not focusing. There it goes. So that's what that looks like. Let me show you all the other one in case that didn't focus, because it looks like that one was having issues as well. But it said spread some happy today. Cute. And then the last one is so adorable. This has some girls just walking through with their gifts and Christmas trees. How stinking cute. Okay, let me sit back down. Okay, we have a sticker book, which we'll go through here in a second. I just want to grab everything out of the box and set this off to the side since we're having some issues with the camera focusing. So you have some filler paper. It looks like this is just stocking stuffer ideas. Let me check, because who knows, maybe there's something different. I love putting together a Christmas planner, so this makes me so excited for Christmas. So on the back, you have gift list, stocking stuffer ideas, and then you have some filler paper on the back. So just some lined paper. So cute. So it's not just all stocking stuffer, so that's good. Okay, let me go ahead and put this back in here. I mean, I could easily do it after I end the video, but y'all can suffer with me because sometimes this is a little hard. Oh, that wasn't too bad. And then we have the notebook, which does come bubble wrapped, and it has this for protection on the discs. You do have these cute mini red discs. And then, oh, this cover is so cute. I think I officially have my cover for Christmas. It says, spread some good cheer. That is so cute. That is so, so cute. Okay, let me remove this. I even like the inside. That is so pretty. It says, welcome to your happy notes. Fall in love with fall. So you have some fall stuff and Christmas stuff, it looks like. So this is like Christmas themed, but this right here is fall, which that's fun. And then on the spine, you have some stars. I would have thought it would have been like some Christmas related stuff, but that is really cute. It's a little different, so it makes you like, and then I don't know if you can tell, but this right here is like a gradient color. It's not just black. Like it goes from yellow, orange, red, blue, a darker blue, and then like this looks like purple. I don't know, but it's really, really pretty. I really like it, and I like all this fall stuff back here. So you can do some fall planning for like Thanksgiving dinner, and then you can jump into some Christmas stuff. We can do it, which is the cover, right? Yeah, the cover, but like a different little quote. The same paper, Christmas trees on the back. And then you have, this is so cute. I love that it's fall, Christmas, and then New Year. Because back here, look how cute this divider is. I love it so much. Then the back, and this is where the stars are at. And then back here, you could use it for like New Year goals, like anything like goal planning or setting up new planners or new ideas, or I don't know, anything that you want to like try to manifest for the year. I don't know, that's just so cute. And I really love that they included fall, Christmas, and New Year's. That is so cute. I'm really excited to set this up for Christmas time. So now with the exciting part, I guess everything is exciting, honestly, because I love seasonal stuff. But this is the sticker book, Spread a Little Happy Magic, Happy Holidays. And you have all the cute stickers. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. Yay. Okay, this is honestly really cute. I mean, I'm a sucker for Christmas stickers. I feel like I always buy holiday stickers. Sometimes don't finish using them. These are actually really cute. They remind me of like vintage stickers. Like, I don't know, I feel like back in the day, this would be like cartoons I would watch on TV. That being said, like my favorite cartoons were like some that aired in Canada because I lived up north. I lived in the Chicago area. So I would watch like Girl on the Big Couch, Girl on the Big Red Couch, or something like that. I don't remember what it was called. I'll have to like find a picture and try to add it on the screen if I remember. But that used to be my favorite show. And I feel like this reminds me of like her, and like there's another show I'll try to remember and also add it to the screen. Oh, look at these little Christmas trees. And I feel like you could use these for like a fall spread also. That is so cute. Some gingerbread houses. I love making gingerbread houses. These are so cute. I love the colors. Then you have some foiled ones. So all of these have a little bit of foil in them. Then you have some paper, Christmas stickers, some Christmas trees, some snow globes, nutcracker, some boxes, some more boxes because we need our boxes. And then you have some more of these cute girls, but they look a little bit smaller than the other ones. Let me compare them quickly with you all. Yeah, so you have like a wider variety. Well, they're about the same, but there's a bigger variety, and they're a little bit smaller. You have some washi stickers, some cute boxes, and some page flags, boxes. These are more boxes like the other ones, but these are foiled. Some quotes, and then we have some fall. How cute. I love this. That is so adorable. Oh, and this one's so pretty too. Okay, I'm here for Christmas and fall. Oh, this one's so cute. She's like chilling on her couch. Love that for her. I like these little sunflowers. Boxes. And then you have some more of the girls, but a little bit smaller. Some washi stickers. These little pumpkins are going to be so cute. Like this stacked with this. Oh, so pretty. So cute. I already have, like, I'm definitely going to use this for Thanksgiving and Christmas spreads. And oh, I'm so excited. Boxes. Some quotes and more girls. And that is it. How stinking cute. I love it so much. I am so excited to get my seasonal planner together so I can start decorating spreads and using it. And I'm just kind of really excited for fall, honestly. Today we had a rainy day, and it got a little colder. Well, not like cold. It was still like probably like 80s. I don't doubt that it even hit 90s, but it was really nice outside, and it was a good feel, a good little touch of, you know, fall, and it made me miss it a little bit. So really looking forward to all the fall vibes and all of this magical stuff. So I really hope you enjoyed this. If you're interested in shopping this Be Happy box, I hope you will consider using my a link. I will leave it down below. Again, that is at no cost to you. I just earn a small commission from that. And yeah, I hope you love this box as much as I love it. And if you shop it or are thinking about it, let me know your thoughts, because I want to hear all the things or anything that you may have planned to use this for down in the comments. And yeah, I'm excited. But if you're not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing. I'm excited to do some holiday planning with you all, as well as just general planning with you all. I love doing vlogs on Thursdays, so I hope you will consider staying and subscribing. And yeah, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.